Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, January 24th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can achieve financial success online with these easy steps. Okay, I'm going to give you 3 simple steps. That's all it takes to be successful online. But before I do that, if you've never seen any of my videos or you're new to my channel, my name is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home industry for the last 18 years. All right, I dabbled on and off with it for a long time. And then in 2018, I was finally fortunate enough to be able to work for myself from home, and I've been doing so ever since. So I know what I'm doing when it comes to making money online, and it's just my true passion. I love it. So the 3 steps that I'm going to give you is exactly what I do each and every day to have success, okay? And if you don't know, I am involved in 2 direct mail opportunities, and then I have 2 other opportunities that I share with other people. And then I've got a lot of income streams online, okay? But the things that you have to do, step number 1 is you have to show up each and every single day, okay? It doesn't matter if it's your birthday or the weekend or a holiday, it doesn't matter. You have to show up each and every single day and create content. Share content with people. Right? It doesn't have to take you an hour or 2. It can be very simple. It can be a simple post on Facebook, a positive quote or something like that, but you have to show up each and every day and create content. Make a video, do a live, step out of your comfort zone, do something that you're not comfortable doing. When I first started doing videos, I was scared to death to do them. And when it came to doing lives, I was even more afraid. But after doing them over and over and over again, it just becomes a normal routine, It's something that I look forward to doing now. And that's another thing. You have to, once you do something for 30 days, every single day, it becomes a habit. All right, so show up every day for the next 30 days. Create some content, some engaging content, and you'll see things start to turn around for you online if you're struggling or if you're just starting out. So the first step is to show up every day. The second step is to take action, serious action. All right, go above and beyond what everybody else is doing. If you're on Facebook, post your content for the day and then go and like and comment on 30 other people's posts. Same thing with YouTube, go and watch some YouTube videos or some YouTube shorts and leave some comments. But take action. Not just every other day or whenever you feel like it, every single day. All right? And the third step is to be consistent. Stay consistent in whatever marketing methods that you're using. So what I do is I share my opportunities in my videos that I create, and then I post content regularly to Facebook. Facebook and YouTube are the only major platforms that I use when it comes to social media. And there's enough free traffic there that you never have to pay for any traffic. All right, if you learn how to use Facebook and YouTube the right way, you never have to pay for traffic. All right, it's simple to do. You just have to stay consistent with it. And then what I do offline marketing, because I do a combination of online and offline marketing. And so for my offline marketing, I mail out letters, okay? And in the 2 direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of, I get leads. That's the product that you're purchasing. All right, you're getting leads. So these are opportunity-seeking leads, people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income from home. And I send out my opportunities. I put together a nice letter. It has a picture of me. It has obviously my name, all my contact information. It gives people a brief history about who I am. And then I put in the 2 direct mail opportunities. Okay, so I mail out postcards. I put the postcards in the letters. I put in drop cards for my 2 other opportunities, $100 drop cards. and then I put in my business card. All right, joinruss.com. And I get great conversions doing this, all right? Because not only am I marketing online, I'm doing offline marketing as well. And it just flat out works, okay? You can get a simple domain name for 12 bucks on GoDaddy. You can forward this to a Linktree page that you can set up for free, and you can put all your opportunities on that page. And if you're just starting out and you don't have any opportunities, you can start out with a direct mail opportunity and just mail out the postcards. All right, but just stay consistent with mailing. So if you can only afford to mail out 100 postcards every month, stay consistent, and every single month mail out 100 postcards. Okay, and then after you start making some commissions, take some of that money and reinvest it back into your business. So double it up to 200 postcards a month, and just keep doing that, you know, until you start making enough commissions to reinvest to where you're doubling that to 400 postcards. And you just keep doing that and stay consistent each and every single day. Show up, take action, stay consistent. That is what wins the game, folks, okay? Not this, oh, I'm too tired to do it today, or today's a holiday, or it's, you know, it's Saturday night and my friends are going out. It doesn't matter. You know, if you want to be ahead of everybody else and do what most people don't do, do what I just told you to do. Show up every day, take action, massive action, and stay consistent. And you're going to be light years ahead of everybody else, because only 2% of people online make money. And that's because the 98% who don't, they don't take any action, all right? Like I say in all my videos, if you treat this like a business, you'll get business pay. If you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get hobby pay. And if you do what most people do, they sign up for these opportunities, they're excited for, you know, maybe a month or so. They're excited about the opportunity. They're going to set the world on fire, and they're going to crush every goal that they have. But then 30 days comes around, and then they're on to the next shiny object. All right? And you just don't get ahead that way. You're never going to build an empire by doing that. You might make some money, but you're never going to build a consistent monthly income doing that. You have to stay focused on what opportunity that you're involved with. Once you start making $500 to $1,000 in an opportunity, then go ahead and add another opportunity. That's fine. If you're doing postcard marketing like I do, you can do, you know, some people do 10 or 12 of these opportunities all at one time, and it's easy to do. You're just mailing out postcards. And the way that I do it with the letter, I can fit 4 opportunities into one regular envelope with my letter, and it's under 1 ounce, and I can send that out for 1 forever stamp. So, and it converts very well. So when you join me, all right, again, you can go to joinruss.com, check out my opportunities. The first 2 are my postcard opportunities. It says USA Business next to each one of them, because you have to live in the US, Puerto Rico, or the Virgin Islands to partake in these. Go check them out. When you join me in any of my opportunities, you're going to get a resource page I put together. It has over 80 different places that you can share these opportunities online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get my letter template that I use, that I send out, and you're going to get all my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you need help or have any questions. Okay? But if you want to be successful online, or really at anything in life, you have to show up every day, treat it like a business, take massive action, and stay consistent. And if you do all 3 of those each and every day, you're going to win, okay? Of course, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But if you do those 3 things each and every day, eventually you will win. So reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I appreciate you watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Click the thumbs up button and the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great day.